Hi. In English, some letters can have different sounds. Let's learn the other common sounds of the letter A.
uh, 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 ah, 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 a, 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 e, e, e,
Blending sounds.
uh, uh, uh,
Yoga, comma, zebra, sandal, animal, cinema, umbrella. Admit, across, attend, adjust, assist, ability. A is pronounced
ah, ah, ah,
typically when it appears before the letter L plus consonant, especially in words with AL or ALL spellings. AL, alter, salt, also, bald, halt, waltz, falter. ALL, all, ball, call, fall, tall, wall, hull, stall, small.
a, a,
Tornado, potato, tomato, baby, label, basic.
e, e, e,
This is not a common sound for the letter A, but there are two common words that use this. Many, any. Practice.
uh, uh, uh,
Zebra, zebra, zebra. Animal, animal, animal. A zebra is an animal. A zebra is an animal. Sandal, sandal, sandal. Cinema, cinema, cinema. I left my sandals at the cinema. I left my sandals at the cinema.
ah, ah, ah,
All, all, all. Ball, ball, ball. Hull, hull, hull. All the balls are in the hall. All the balls are in the hall. also, also, also. Salt, salt, salt. Also, add a bit of salt. Also, add a bit of salt.
A. A. A.
Baby, baby, baby. Potato, potato, potato. Tomato, tomato, tomato. The baby wants the potato and the tomato. The baby wants the potato and the tomato.
E. E. E.
Many, many, many. He has many small stalls. He has many small stalls. Good job. Bye.